Chapter 2. Machine Startup. Inspection and Startup. Part 1. Conveyor Width Adjustment. Step 1. Loosen this one widening screw. Then Step 2. Place the PCB on the conveyor and rotate the widening rudder to ensure smooth PCB transfer. Step 3. Tighten the widening screw just now. Part 2. Bench Widening. Loosen the 2 widening screws. Then you can move up and down to adjust the width. Part 3. Positioning Pin Setting. After loosening the screws, you can carry out the left and right and up and down fine-tuning. Has been adapted to the PCB positioning holes.